Good afternoon. A big number coin scanned today. 71 crossed the desk's line.
Let's look at the sum figure on the board. Fidelity Digital Dollar. Our tape shows it was flat at 0% in the last 24 hours, trading $177 million in volume with a turnover of 3.6 times its market cap.
And what is FID? Is it a new asset class or just money wearing a different hat?
According to the dossier, it is a USD stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 to the United States dollar, issued by Fidelity Digital Assets. It draws on traditional institutional standards. Since our measurement shows it held that 0% move, the peg appears intact.
Stability is a feature, not a bug for some. Let's pivot to Plume. The tape says Plume rose up 4.2% in the last 24 hours, trading $275 million in volume with a turnover of 3.3 times its market cap.
Plume is an REUR L1 network focused on crypto natives, aiming to connect real-world assets to crypto markets by building net new use cases rather than just moving TradFi on-chain. It ranks number 281 by market cap.
Real-world assets but built for the chain. Next up, REUR. The tape is screaming here. REUR rose up 262.8% in the last 24 hours, trading $20 million in volume with a turnover of only 0.3 times its market cap.
REUR is a EUR-referenced stable value token designed to target a 1-to-1 value with the euro. However, the dossier notes it is subject to reserve sufficiency and market conditions. A move of that scale on such low turnover suggests a likely depeg event or a liquidity mirage rather than organic growth.
A stablecoin jumping is definitely not stable in the traditional sense. Let's check Book of Meme. The tape shows BOEM rose up 36.5% in the last 24 hours, trading $199 million in volume with a turnover of 2.5 times its market cap.
Book of Meme is a meme coin on Solana designed to serve as a digital archive for memes, aiming to preserve meme culture by storing creations on the blockchain. It ranks number 299 by market cap.
A digital museum of internet jokes, currently up more than 36%. Finally, let's look at RE. The tape shows RE rose up 12.2% in the last 24 hours, trading $126 million in volume with a turnover of 1.5 times its market cap.
RE is an internet-native marketplace for insurance capital, connecting eligible capital providers with reinsurance activity through licensed entities. It ranks number 283 by market cap.
So, what did we throw out as a mirage?
REUR's extreme move on thin turnover stands out as a likely depeg or liquidity anomaly rather than a fundamental shift in value.
And what did we circle as a real find?
The structural plays Plume's RWA infrastructure and RE's insurance capital marketplace, both showing steady volume without the volatility of a stablecoin breaking its own peg.
We don't hype it, we measure it, the chain never closes. That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping, the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.